Firstly, this meeting is important because it brings a closer working relationship between the AU and the regional economic blocs, and because we will be implementing some of the, as a regional bloc, the AU maybe decisions and directives. So it's important for them to also be able to interact with us and get our feedback and input, which was previously lacking, but now I'm happy that with this trend, then we'll definitely get where we need to be. So we're doing several things. From a private sector perspective, we have something called the East African Business Council, whose membership includes all the partner states' chambers of commerce. So in that way, we're enabling. In any case, our treaty also talks about private sector-led, people-driven. So another thing we're doing is, or what we did, although behind schedule, we passed 3 crucial bills, which will then give way or pave way for the forming of the East African Bank and the East African Common Currency, which we believe will make business sense, will make business easier.